Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Fooducate, which is an easy tool that you can use to help to learn more about the ingredients in your food. Are you ready? Let's get started. So you want to start by visiting fooducate.com from your desktop. That's Fooducate.com. Let's get started. I'm going to share my screen. So this is what the inside looks like. You can play around with it and learn more about the additional features and perhaps use some of them. But we are going to use the search feature. If you're on your phone, you can download the app and you'll be using the food finder, which you can scan any barcode of a food product and it will pull up the results. Or you can use your computer, which I'm going to today. And this is the way that I train my clients on too, is to use the computer. And you can type in any ingredient. So you don't necessarily need to log in to be able to gain the benefits of Fooducate. So I have not created an account. I'm just going in. It's open to the public, which is great. And I'm going to type in Dannon yogurt. Okay. So let's say that you're consuming this Dannon yogurt, strawberry, blueberry, looks like it's the Light and Fit. And I just want to show you, as you can see, each product, each food has a ranking. You'll see quite a bit of B's, and this Dannon yogurt got a C. So Fooducate will rank from a product from an A to a D-, and it will explain to you why it got that ranking, and then it will give you alternative options to healthier ideas. So let me just go ahead and give you a little tutorial of this so you can check it out yourself if you're interested in. Okay, so we have Dannon yogurt pulled up now. And as you can see, Fooducate ranked it as a C, and you can actually click on why. And then it will give you different explanations with resources to back those explanations up. So an example here, we can click on contains artificial sweeteners. You can learn about artificial sweeteners and then explore the different sources, different articles in here. You can scroll down and you can see all the different areas that are in red and learn about each and every one of those. Then you can scroll down and read the food label. So when you're actually reading the nutrition label, you can see, well, it might not look that bad. However, what I really encourage you to do is to look at the ingredients. Always read the ingredients from the ground up versus the top down, because it can be very deceiving. And it's most important what you are putting into your body, because your body has to process it all and break it all down. So we want to eat as clean and natural as possible. So let's take a look at these ingredients. And just spend a moment and kind of look through, and you can see here are the correlations between what was written above and what you're seeing now. You can see the artificial flavors, the aspartame, the red number 40, the sucralose. The list goes on and on here. We have the artificial colors, and I think it's just very important to just take a look at this. The beauty of Fooducate is that you can scroll back up and you can look, and Fooducate has other options that says 10 better options. So I always look for A's whenever I look for options. You'll see some B's in here. And let's just take a look at this Chobani yogurt. It's received an A. You can click on Y and learn more about it. And then you can scroll down, take a look at the nutrition facts, and then look at the ingredients and see that we have a less processed yogurt here, a more natural yogurt. So this could be a good alternative option to Dannon yogurt. So you can continue to explore Fooducate on your own, When I first looked at it, I looked at spam, and it was just the very first thing that I could think of to scan at the store. But what I would encourage you to do is to actually scan practical items that are in your household, items that are currently in your fridge and pantry, and see what they rank, learn about their ingredients, discover the alternative options. And you can review our initial lessons where I walked you through the different food sources for the macronutrients, and have whole foods be the primary foundation of your diet. Most likely, there will be some packaged foods in your diet as well. I just encourage you to really be fully aware of what you're consuming that's packaged. And I think Fooducate can be a great guide for you to be able to do that. So let me know if you have any questions.